Well, y'all, we're out here working on the winch truck again. Got the power steering working. It needs some more fluid, but I got it working again. Topped off the brake fluid. Y'all may notice there's another shifter in here. And instead of the old push and pull knob for the PTO, I made that shifter. Got the winch working. Had to weld in a gusset back there. It ain't the prettiest, but let's see if it'll fire up. There it goes. So I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that. So that part's done. Now all I gotta do is put the poles and everything on and start putting this bad boy to use. Now, I'm sure we're gonna do a bunch of other stuff to it, but for now, it's came a long ways. Thanks for watching.